Let's have a look to start with at some of the templates that are available online for use with Excel. We'll click on File and then we'll go to the New option, and this will display our templates. We can search for a particular template. There are some suggested searches we can use, and there's a gallery of templates down here. We'll click on the Garden Planner template to see what that is all about. We can see who it's provided by, Microsoft themselves in this case, brief description, number of stars other users have given it, and then we can create it. Here's our template all ready to use. Unlike opening an existing file, where if you were to change it and then accidentally save it, it would overwrite the original. One of the benefits of using a template is if you do accidentally click the save button, it doesn't save it directly. It takes you to Save As to give it a name and save it. Before we start creating our own template, we're just going to look at an option in Excel that will make this easier. So we go to File and then go down to Options, and in the Save section we can nominate a folder where our templates will be saved to by default. This will save us time when we come to saving any templates we create. So we're going to create our own templates this time. We're going to use sheet 1 as an information sheet, so we'll give it a title of About. Then we'll just change some formatting. We'll make columns A and B a little wider, rows 1 to 6 a little deeper, and then we'll type in some text that we'd want in all of our workbooks. So these are the headings. We'll have a title, maybe an author, description of any linked files in this workbook, and maybe some information about the version. We can then format that as we want to. So we'll center it vertically. We'll change the font size and maybe make it bold. So we'd make whatever changes we wanted in our workbook, and then we want to save it as a template for future use. So we go to File, Save As, find our way through to the Save As screen, and in the Save As Type drop-down we choose an Excel template. That automatically changes to our templates folder. We can give our template a sensible name. We'll just call it My Template, so it's easy to recognize in a moment or two. Click on Save. That's our template created. Let's close down our original template so we can go back to File, New, find our own templates, and there's the template we've just created. We can click on our template to create a new file based on our templates.